Hi, if you're looking to make risk-free money in the cryptocurrency market, then you absolutely need to pay attention to these new airdrop platforms launched by Binance Megadrop. So in this video, I will walk you through the steps to participate in this Megadrop. First, you will need a Binance account. If you don't have one, the registration link is in the video description. Register using this link and you will get a 20% discount on all the transaction fees. Once you feel set out your account, you will need to download the Binance app. Android users can scan the QR code on the screen to download directly, while Apple users can click the link in the top right corners of the video to see how to register for a Taiwanese Apple ID and then download the Binance app from the Apple Store. So now let's click on the More buttons at the top of the homepage, and you will find Megadrop under Recommendations. Once you are in there, you can click the Edit button and customize the 7 recommendation slots according to your preferences. So in my opinion, the most added features are the Launchpad and Megadrop. For added convenience, you can include other features under common functions such as withdraw fiat and Web3 wallets and also transfers. And so now click on done. So now back to homepage, let's click on Megadrop. So this takes us to the Megadrop page. So it runs from April 26th to May 13th, during which we can participate. So now let's look at the two core parts, lock BNB and complex Web3 quizzes. So locking BNB refers to locking it for 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. The first question here is, if I want to withdraw BNB during the lockout period, can I still do it? Actually, with Binance fees terms, you can withdraw. But if you do, you won't receive the corresponding interest for that term, ensuring the flexibility of our assets. So now, how do we lock BNB? First, we need to have some BNB. BNB is basically Binance platform tokens, so you can think of it as a breakage share. If Binance is considered a cryptocurrency breakage, then BNB is like a stock representing the entire values of Binance exchange. Holding BNB in Binance grants you various benefits, such as new coins mining, participation in Megadrop, fees reductions, and more. Basically, any perks Binance offers are usually prioritized for BNB holders, including this Megadrop, where BNB holders get a significant share. So as a comparison, curious launch for new coin mining runs, there won't even be a port for FDUSD stablecoins. So however, Binance hasn't opened a port for FDUSD at this time. Even if you has a lot of FDUSD, you can't use it in the Megadrop. So BNB is truly Binance child. Alright, so our first step is to purchase BNB. Let's go back to homepage for a moment. Within the trading session below, click on the trading pair in the top left corner and search for BNB USDT. This will show you the BNB to USDT trading pair, and you can then choose to buy at the market price. Once we've purchased our BNB, return to the homepage and click on Megadrop again. So now within the Megadrop session, we can click on the lock BNB and choose subscribe or start quiz. So let's select subscribe. How many days do you want to lock it for? So you can choose between 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. Since we can withdraw BNB from the fees terms at any time, and lock it for 120 days give us the most scores, why not go for 120 days? So now we can click on max and then convert. Great, our purchase was successful. Let's go back to Megadrop. Here is a crucial point. If you lock BNB into the fees terms when Binance starts a new round of new coin mining, the BNB locked in the fees terms will automatically participate in the new coin mining. If Megadrop and Launchport's new coin minings are both active, then the BNB in your fees terms will participate in both, effectively double mining. So locking BNB for 120 days is something everyone should consider. So after discussing this, we move on to completing Web3 quiz. This task involving creating a Binance Web3 wallet and then using it to participate in various tasks such as staking coins, using cross-chain bridge, and conducting simple trades. So it is essentially an interactive process and experiences the functionality of their Web3 wallet. To complete these interactions, you will earn points. So both locking BNB and complete Web3 quizzes will earn you scores. Ultimately, Binance will distribute the Megadrop rewards based on each person's shares of the total score pool. So now let's click on Start Quiz first. So this round Web3 task involves staking with the BounceBit project. So you need to maintain a Bitcoin balance of at least 0.000111 in your spot wallet and have some BNB to cover potential gas fees. Click on Start Now. And please remember that after completing the quiz, make sure to click on Verified. So once verified, you will receive your final score. Click on OK and proceed to create a Web3 wallet. So Binance Megadrop will only airdrop to wallets created within the Binance Web3 wallet. Importing other wallets won't count for points. It is ineffective. So let's directly create a wallet within Binance and click on here. It will be automatically set up for you. And after it is created, if you see an exclamation mark on the wallet icon in the top right corner, click on it. So it will remind you that Binance protocol used is the BNB smart chain and your wallet isn't backed up yet. I suggest backing out your wallet before making any transfers or participating in any interactions. So now let's click on that. So after returning to the Binance exchange, click on wallets in the bottom right corner, then click on Web3 at the top. And then select backup now immediately. So you will find two options, backup via iCloud or scanning a QR code. I recommend using iCloud for backup, so click on iCloud backup. And now you need to create a password. So this password doesn't need to match your Binance login password. It is solely for Binance Web3 and not for the exchange. So once you will enter the passwords, click on continue and then tick all the box and then continue. So next you will need to store a fragment of your encrypted wallet in your iCloud account. Click on backup, and once completed, click on OK to verify your backup. So at this point, don't be afraid of the process. Wallet security is paramount. So click on wallet above and click on here. Now we can find the backup management. So the second backup option displayed here is the recipe action barcode, a QR code. It requires storing this QR code on a different device from your wallet. So if your Binance Web3 wallet is on one phone, store the QR code on another phone or in a secure email. Gmail and Outlook are among the safest emails options. Although nothing is 100% secured, these platforms has fewer vulnerabilities. So click on backup and you will need to verify the password you set of iCloud backup. So once entered, click on continue and take out all the box. Now a QR code appears. It is best to store this QR code on another device. Take out another phone, open its cameras, and capture this QR code. Ensure this QR code and your Binance account are not on the same device. While this process, Binance splits your private keys into three parts. One stores on your phone, another in iCloud, and the third as a QR code. If your phone is lost, but the image is still in your galleries, someone could potentially gain access to 2 out of 3 key fragments. This significantly increases the risk of someone stealing from your wallet. So follow the recommendation to use a secure email or another device for storage. Don't worry, if you only have one phone, you can save this image. After saving it, email it to yourself using a Gmail account, for example. Attach the QR codes to the email and send it from your Gmail address to the send Gmail address. After sending, delete the QR codes from your gallery and clean it from the trash. Once the backup is complete, click on continue. Also click on continue. So now you will be asked to scan the QR codes. After scanning, and enter the recovery code. So here your secure backup is complete. So click on Megadrop again, then select Start Quest and choose Start Now. So it will ask us to deposit 0.0001 Bitcoin at least. So here, Bitcoins refers to Bitcoins on the Binance Smart Chain. So back in the exchange, to participate in Binance Megadrop, you need at least 0.001 Bitcoins and around 5 years of BNB for gas fees. I've already purchased them in my spell account. After buying, click on Web3 Wallet in the top right corner and select Receive and choose Transfer Funds from exchange to Web3 Wallets. Transfer directly by selecting BNB as the asset and BNB Smart Chain as the network. Click on Transfer and choose Max to transfer everything for gas fees. Then click Withdraw and Convert. So it is processing now. Let it finish while we move to the next step. Now return, click on Receive again and choose Transfer Fund from exchange to Web3 Wallet. And this time select Bitcoins as the asset. And please remember to choose BNB Smart Chain network. So now you may wonder why we transfer Bitcoins when Megadrop asks for it. Actually, this Bitcoin refers to Bitcoins on the BNB Smart Chain, not the original Bitcoin chain. It is the same assets but on different chain. Click on Transfer. And please also remember click on Max, ensuring the amount is greater than 0.001 Bitcoins. Then click on Withdraw and Convert. Then just let it process. Now on the Web3 Wallet homepage, you will see that Bitcoins and BNB has been deposited. So now click on first phase of Megadrop, select on Join Now, and scroll all the way down to select Start Quiz, then Start Now, and just click on this and click on Connect Wallet, connect here. So if the approved button is grayed out for you, click on Wallet Address in the top right corner and click on Disconnect and Reconnect. So now the approved button should be clickable, click on it, and to allow Binance protocol to access your Web3 wallet information, click on Convert, and now it requests for your Binance passkey and just wait for the results. So now we can see that every interaction incurs a fee. This one costs 0.1 BNB coins. Click on Convert, enter your passkey. So now when the green text appears on the screen, it is done and we click on Continue. So now click on withdraw on the right side. It will show that we deposited more, perhaps 0.002 more, which is fine. After completing the task, click on verify so that Binance can confirm that. Click on verified. Once it is confirmed, click on done. So now in Megadrop, you will see that we've completed both tasks and earned many scores as we see here. Binance will distribute rewards based on these points. Lastly, some key points to note. Depositing BNB into Feast allows you to earn rewards from Launchboard and Megadrop simultaneously. This activity is massive, and Buzzbit is the first project of Binance Megadrop. So following Binance lead is safe, given their track record of success. If you are uncomfortable with the rates associated with BNB price fluctuations, you can participate only in Binance external wallet task to mitigate your risk. So I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to check the link in the description and leave comments if you have one. See you soon!